Hey everyone, this is Dan over at Performance Motorworks in Rocklin. Hey, I just wanted to reach out to you guys and talk to you. I was just looking at the news, and it looks like for the next few days, maybe in the next couple of weeks here in the Rocklin, Roseville, Lincoln area, we're going to be seeing some pretty bad rain. They're calling it an atmospheric river. Never even heard of that, but it doesn't sound good. So I wanted to make sure that you guys all have wiper blades that are in good operating condition on your vehicles. So for right now, for the next 2 weeks, if you book an appointment or come see us for any other service, we're going to throw in a free set of good high quality wiper blades on your German car. So this is one of those limited time ones. It's only 2 weeks, not like our normal promotions that sometimes last a month. So be sure to take advantage of this. The phone number here to book an appointment, 916-624-9656, or you can book online at www.pmwonline.com. Thanks so much. Be safe out there, and we'll see you soon.